Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best blackhead remover tools that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have JPNK Blackhead Removal Tool. With the JPNK Blackhead Remover, you can take care of your skin problems from the comfort of your home. It is easy to use and effective on every skin type. When you use your hands to squeeze out a blackhead, you put your skin at further risk. Before using any tool on the face, you should make sure the material is not reactive. This JPNK kit has stainless steel coated surface and is entirely safe for use on skin. Moving on at number 4, we have BoxSoyx Blackhead Removal Tool. The BoxSoyx Blackhead Removal Tool offers 10 different tools for pulling out a variety of skin abnormalities. Different types of blemishes, acne, and blackheads can be accessed and entirely removed from your pores using this toolkit. 420 grade stainless steel is used to protect your skin and improve the durability of the product. Stainless steel resists corrosion and rusting, enhancing the life of the material. At number 3, we have BoxSoyx Blackhead Removal Tool. BoxSoyx Blackhead Removal Toolkit offers variety. You can use it for blackheads, acne, and even blemishes. The kit comprises tools that are easy to use and clean. Needles are electroplated and covered with stainless steel, making it suitable to be used on your skin. The ergonomic design of the tools lets you remove your blackheads and acne with great control and accuracy. This feature will enable you to extract blackheads from the most difficult to reach pores of your facial skin. The BoxSoyx kit comes in clean packaging, is easy to carry around, and keeps all the tools safe. At number 2, we have HotLife Blackhead Removal Tool. One thing you should keep in mind while using the HotLife Blackhead Removal Tools is that you should not use it before your acne matures. Cleaning the removal tool before and after the procedure is also essential to make sure proper hygiene is maintained. An instruction manual comes in the package, so you do not need to worry about its usage. This allows you to make a risk-free purchase. After all, you can return it whenever you feel the toolkit is not what it claimed to be. And finally at number 1. AUO Professional 10 PCS. Rusting of any material results in material loss and puts at risk anything which comes in contact. The anti-rust stainless steel coating provides a strong guard against corrosion and rusting. This maintains the quality of the surface and makes the tool durable. 10 differently styled tools come inside the stainless steel box. Every tool serves a different purpose. The toolkit as a whole is sufficient enough to address almost every skin problem, whether it be blackheads or blemishes. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.